G'day, it's Ken from Spanaroo again. Today we're going to be removing the rear leaf springs off the back axles. So grab yourself a bush chook or a good cuppa and sit back and enjoy. I've got a friend over today, Jacob, so you'll see him in action a little bit and I'll explain a bit more about how we're going.
I'm just removing the springs now off the back end. So what I've got to do is actually cut the tops off the bolts. And once the tops are cut off the bolts, because they're so rusted and swollen on the top, I can't get the nuts over the top, so I'm going to cut the tops off. So that'll be the first thing I'll do. You need to stop because I need to get some glasses. Okay. Safety first, of course. Okay, now the tops are taken off, they should just rattle off. Bit of penetrain. One. So, as usual, drop every nut on the ground. Look how much sand I can put in. I will knock the top clamp plate off. Okay, now bar under this side, so lift this side up. Nope. See how I keep some knuckles. There we go. Now we're moving. There we go, removed. Okay, now this will come off.
Nice and light?
No. Definitely not. Just shook the earth, dropped them on the ground. There we go, all done.
Okay, Jacob's going to try and cut a nut off now. I don't want to give him the nickname of Lightning, someone who can't hit the same spot twice. Yeah, so he won't get the nickname Lightning, I hope. I've given him a few tips on how to do the job properly. Let's see how he goes.
This is the hammer he trusts me with.
Yeah, I don't want too many broken bones. Okay, we've got a cold chisel there and he's cutting the bolt. He's just removing a bit of rust around it at the moment.
A few moments later.
So this is the nut you just cut off. See how he split the nut in half? And yeah, so you hit it down with the cold chisel until it starts splitting, and then you hit it one side and it will tend to curl off. This is great for when you have a nut that you can't get off because it's rusted on so solid, and you usually are able to save the thread.
Well, that's it for another video from Spanaroo. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps me keep going with this. Let us know what you want me to show you in the description below. So, yep, Jacob managed to not hit his hand, so we're not going to call him Lightning. Yeah, he's going to keep his name Jacob. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.